In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redo in Pixlr quickly and easily, whether you're using Windows or Mac. If you accidentally undid something and want to bring it back, this is one of the most useful shortcuts to know while editing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The fastest way to redo in Pixlr is with a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl+Y. If you're on a Mac, press Command+Y. This will immediately bring back the last action you undid, saving you time while editing. So if you made a change, pressed undo, and then decided you actually want that step back, just use the redo shortcut, and Pixlr will restore it for you. This is especially helpful when you're working on detailed edits, layering images, or adjusting text and effects. Now, if you prefer using the interface instead of keyboard shortcuts, Pixlr also gives you another easy option. Look at the bottom right area of the workspace and open the history panel. The history panel shows your recent editing steps in order, so you can move back and forward through your actions more visually. If you want to redo steps using the panel, navigate through your history until you reach the point you want to restore. This is a great option if you've undone multiple actions and want more control over exactly where you go next. It's also helpful if you're not sure which shortcut to use, or you're working on a laptop without easy access to a full keyboard. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl+Y on Windows or Command+Y on Mac for the fastest redo option, or use the history panel in the bottom right to move through your edits manually. That's really all there is to it. Once you know these two methods, you can edit with much more confidence because you won't have to worry as much about making mistakes. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Pixlr tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.